our piece is completely finished and we are ready to glue it to the card base. This particular one doesn't have a mat around it. I figured there was enough detail in there that just the frame of the card base around it was enough. But I love how this is exactly the same image, but depending on what colors you choose, you just have a little bit of a different look there. So same as before, we're going to be using these pieces of tape here to glue our card together. And anytime you see me peeling backing off, I'm putting it right into the garbage. I've got a garbage right below my desk here, so it keeps everything neat and tidy. And then a little bit of liquid glue where there's not tape. And once again, because I've got tape on this side, I'm going to flip my card base around and put the liquid glue down first so that I can shimmy it and make sure that everything is straight before pushing the tape down. So there we go. Same card, just two different color schemes. Both look pretty, both look beautiful. And I love how the embossing glaze, the transparency of it, you can see the stamp below it, but it almost looks like stained glass. It's just such a pretty look. We'll see you in the next video.